Mid-Autumn Festival. Mid-Autumn Festival in Vietnam takes place on the 15th day of the 8th month of the lunar calendar, the most charming and picturesque night of the year.
Family reunion. Like other traditional festivals, Mid-Autumn Festival is an occasion for family reunion. Lion dance. One important activity before and during the festival is lion dance.
Dragon dance. The lion dance is sometimes mistakenly referred to as dragon dance by most first-timers.
The Earth God. Arika Spade Fan. The lion heads, faces of the Earth God made of paper, and Arika Spade Fan are displayed everywhere in the markets.
The Moon Lady. Jade Rabbit. The Moon Palace. Chinese children are told that the Jade Rabbit is on the Moon Palace with the Moon Lady.
Mask. Lantern.
During this exciting Mid-Autumn Festival, making masks and lanterns is probably one of many activities that take place. Star-shaped lantern. Carp-shaped lantern. On the Mid-Autumn night, children parade on the streets, singing folk songs, wearing masks and carrying colorful star-shaped lanterns, carp-shaped lanterns.
Lantern Parade. The star-shaped lanterns make fantastic lights for lantern parades.
Light the lanterns. The children are lighting the lanterns to join in the lantern parade in Mid-Autumn night. The Man in the Moon. The Moon Man. The Moon Boy. The Banyan Tree. My grandmother told me that the Moon Man is sitting at the root of the banyan tree, and looking down to the earth, since he could never find a way to go back.
Mooncake.
On the occasion of the Mid-Autumn Festival, mooncakes are usually used as gifts for families, friends, colleagues, and clients.
Baked mooncake. Snowskin mooncake. Sticky rice mooncake. Jelly mooncake. There are 3 kinds of mooncake: baked mooncake, sticky rice mooncake, and jelly mooncake.
Toy figurine. Rice paste figurine. Toy figurine is a traditional toy for children in Vietnam, which is made from glutinous rice powder in form of edible figurine.
Watch and admire the moon. I really like the feeling that my family eats moon cake. Watch and admire the moon together.